Hello guys, my name's Yoko and welcome back to another video in this Python revision quiz MySQL database video series. And in this video we're going to actually be doing some little checks for adding questions, and we're going to be focusing on is the existing questions. What if you try to add a question that already exists? So let's actually try and test it out to see what actually happens if one does that. So let me copy out over here this question, for example. Go over here, login, Diego Costa, admin. Let's go question editor, and let's go add a question. Oh, there's an error actually with this. Oops. Display add question doesn't seem to have which 301 in line 301. I must have forgot to add this in line 301. That's not it. Where is it? Where is it? Is this line 301? No, this is line 301. Display add question. Oh, but I'm not passed anything, so why do... That's weird. I'm not passing anything to it. Okay. Yeah, that was weird. That must have just been a mistake I made. Okay. What happens? We get an error. And here is the error we get. MySQL.connector.errors, integrity error, duplicate entry, and here's the issue. Question underscore unique. And that's the error we're talking about. So, and in the last video I said that there's probably going to be some error which will appear, and we'll use some exception handling to try and solve that error. So, the way we're going to do this, we're going to do this like this. We are going to try this. So we'll just try to do this. If it fails, then it's accept. If it fails due to MySQL dot, I don't know if, hold on. Exception under, can I just do, oh, did I close it? Oh my god. Just do this for now. I want that specific error. What if that specific error not? Because I'm going to paste over here is an error, is a print. The print of here is an error, more human readable error, and of course I don't want that error to appear in all the time. I want to spend this in this certain occasion. If this happens, not if, like, we don't want the error, oh, there's duplicate entry. If, for example, we can't connect to the database, it wouldn't make sense. So that's why we need to specify the except. I need to get what that error is called. See, we don't want this error. Now, what I am going to do, though, is for that one, I may do another try for that as well, though, to avoid that error. So where... It's this connection, right? It's the connection that's an issue. Right? Connection not available. Oh, so that's the authenticate login. Yeah, we're just going to have to add a bunch of exception handling to some of these. Because, yeah, sometimes it can't connect to the database for whatever reason. So we just want to do a try and try again. Essentially, we're going to add a try and tell it to try again. But free add question. Yes, we want this. A. Hold on, did that add it? That shouldn't have added it. Although I didn't see no errors. Why did I not see any errors? I had an error last time. Why did I not get an error this time? Oh, it's because I got the accept. You know, when I try... it's because I already added the try and accept. I tell it to pass. Right, let's get rid of this to try and get the error again. This time I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to snip it. So that... Let me give him my snipping tool. Ready. So when I get the error, I want to save the error in case it goes away. 3. A question. This is the question. Mode. Windowed. Right, here we go. Here's the error. So it's this the error, the MySQL Connect integrity error. Okay. Okay. So let's try over here again. Try this again over here. We're going to try. So it's mysql.connector.errors. Now this is the integrity error. It's integrity error, exceptions for errors regarding relational integrity. Okay, whatever that means. As error. Print error. Then I want to see actually what will it print. What's this error? If I accept it as integrity error, what happens again? Let me just put an input just in case it goes off the screen. It's cleared off the screen. Try that now. Admin. Add question. We're gonna go again. We're gonna paste this. A. Right, so let's see what happened. See? Just a string. Okay, let's try that again. String error. Try this again. A. Here we go. Error. Duplicate entry. Makes sense, right? More sort of. It's more readable. Yes, it is more readable to the user than having a whole paragraph saying of it, oh, error, duplicate entry, which but we can make it more because some people are not going to understand what you need. What are you talking about? People are not going to understand. So we can make it even better. We can probably clear it up a bit more for them. So we don't need this as error. I'm going to do a print, and we're just going to say here. Error. Unable to add this question, comma, since it already exists in the database. I'm going to say time.sleep. Time.sleep of 2.5 should be good enough. We're going to go add a question. We're going to say over here. No, don't want that. A. Error. Unable to add this question since it already exists in the database. Maybe I should increase that time because that time went very, very quick. Maybe I should return back to an adding of a question. Probably. Probably should. But for now, I guess we'll just leave it. For now, it'll be fine. So yeah, so that's done really. Yeah, close that. Of course, there are other errors as well when it's unable to connect. Now, for that, that's going to be a bit tricky to test. Since sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So how can I always check that? That's a bit tricky. What can I do? I don't think I can do anything to the database to try and make it difficult to connect to. Is there anything I can do here? No, that just resets the password. Can't do anything over here about the database. Because that only occurs sometimes. We can back up the database. Yeah, that only occurs sometimes, not all the time, and that's what's very tricky about that. Maybe we can try and find out the error. Hold on. If we go, where's the? Let's we need to get this. Go get that. Okay, here. Say try. Try to do this. So we should probably include this as well. MySQL.connector. Is there anything about the connection? Don't know if there's anything about this. I don't remember the error for not being able to connect to the database. I don't remember that error. Well, we could just put an exempt anyway. We could just do an exempt over here. Just any exempt we could just try over here. What we could just do is well, if I put a while, that's gonna be a bit of an issue. Exempt. Well, what I could do is I could do a for loop over here for attempt in range of 5, let's say. Do this. And if you've successfully done this, then break. Although, this stuff should actually get moved on the else statement. If it manages to do all this stuff, the return, I guess, will break off of it, but we'll put break of it just in case as well. It's just a copy, isn't it? Hold on. Oh, it's gone. What's this? That wasn't there, was it? Oh, was it? It was, wasn't it? Well, let's try and rearrange this again. I forgot how this works again. Right. Here's the add question to the database. Got it. Okay, so in FortiGate login, let me try and memorize this function. The if is about this. Okay. Oh, there's going to be a couple of tries then over here, isn't there? Try this. Exempt. For any reason, whatever. Since we don't know the actual reason now. Do a continue. Although I don't think I'm going to use continue. What I'm going to do over here is I'm actually just going to print over here. Unable to connect to database. Retrying. Yeah. That's what I'm going to do. Okay. Else. Now over here's where we put the else. Here we're just going to go. Ooh. Then a for loop for attempt range of 5. Then we do another try, and this is getting a bit long. Yeah, you just copy this exempt. Of course. it's successful, I just want to break as well now. Break out of this loop. Then that means I have to do the for loop again over here. I have to do this one again. Else. What if I put the break? I'm trying to think of where to put this break. That's the question. Where the hell do I put this break? Because there's multiple tries. I think I might change this up a bit. I think I'm going to change this function a bit. Go restructure it. Because otherwise it's going to get very messy. So, I'm going to do is a I could combine this, but then you have to differentiate it. I could say select star from self, but then I could also do another select from student, but then you have to try and differentiate it. If should the if inside over here. Y is or equals none. Guess you can try this. Try this. Set. Well, break off this for loop. Then I can say, oh, break off this, but then I can't get the result. Yes, unless I declared it over here, actually. As long as I could get rid of this potentially. What I could say over here instead is I could say, can I check the length result? I can, can't I? Done that, yeah, I've done that before. I think none, that's probably 0, right? I think that is. So what I could say is else, then break off that for loop. result would be equal to something. Yes, result would be equal to something. I think, no, I think I prefer to, I don't know. Okay, that's it. Yeah, we're going to call this user role actually. And what I'm going to say is I'm going to say else if so it's greater than 0, we're going to set, we're actually going to set user role to equal staff. Right? Then we'll break. It breaks out this for loop. Then we're going to say is if user role still equal, so if it's still equal to null, then we're going to do is another for attempt in range of 5. Then we're going to do is another try. This time the try will be for the student. Boom, there we go. Then student and break. Then whatever you got, return user role. Oh, though we do got this over here. Good point, we do have this, don't we? Over here, we do over here, and else over here. Else, we're just going to print this. And user role will be kept as none. That means, do I do a check to see if it's equal to false? Do I do? No, I don't. Okay, so it'll be fine, because it'll still be so null. Hopefully that all works. Nope, for 5 is apparently an issue. Why is 5 an issue? For attempt in range of 5. Why is that an issue? Oh, missing colon over there. Oops. Any other issues? Did I log in? Yes, and I have full access. Great. Now for my student, I believe it's just student 1. Sorry about that. I just needed. This just needed a bit of fixing with the when trying to add the try exception. As you can see, it's grown much more because we're trying to do some exception handling. It's going to be a difficult test because we don't have any. It's difficult to test when the connection is not available. That's what's difficult to test. If I just change the connection, that'll be a different error, I guess. I think it will be a different error if I make a couple of changes of it. Let's say I change the host to be like that. Let's see what error message I get then. It doesn't even run. I don't think it even runs. Which is interesting. Okay. Staff. Not staff, student. Student, I meant student. Student 01. Okay, student 01. And yes. But I've got access to the question. I shouldn't have access. Oh yeah, I don't. I thought I got rid of that, apparently I didn't. Okay, that's fine. That is absolutely fine. So, what else is there? Is there any other exception handling I need to be doing? Might as well do it now. Yes. Aha. The the try exceptions for converting string to an int. I'll do that for the next video. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Put a like button if you did, and if you want to see that next video on more exception handling, on data validation, subscribe so you can get that video in your sub box and notification from YouTube. Take it easy. Goodbye.